Good morning, good morning, good morning, my equity traders. Here we are looking at Dow Jones Industrial on a 4-hour. Let's switch that to a daily first, and then we'll go to 4-hour. So here's our daily, finding resistance, above resistance. This is not bad. All we need to do is hold sideways and not go under 32.4, and it is looking like we will be continuing higher after going some sideways over here. Also, your EMAs are all crossing out bullish, so this is good. As long as you go sideways, you will find support and go higher. Okay, there's no doubt in my mind. Here is a more zoomed in look. First warning sign is under 32.5. If we can just hold 32.5 and go sideways, I'm looking for the next resistance to be touching into 33,800. So keep that in mind for Dow. It's so ironic. These numbers are like Bitcoin numbers. So yeah. Right now, we're going sideways and up. I have nothing bearish to say about this yet. The bearishness, it could have been here, but now that we've broken above this consolidation, we're looking for higher. Do I have a fib? No fib. Ooh. Let's draw a local fib then. Hold on. Let me get to a daily. All right. That's a little bit better. This little consolidation over here. Oh, that's reversed. This is what we can look at on a daily time frame. I'm looking for the support right here at 31.5. As long as we hold this 31.5, more than likely we're going to 34.7 to 36.03. I'm not sure. Is that like all-time high stuff? Yeah, no. It's not all-time high. We're going to be testing that level. So keep that in mind for now. As long as we hold 31.5, we will be testing 34.7 to 36.3 to see if we can claim this previous high or not. And if we do, then we will go higher. So that's what we're looking for on the Dow Jones Industry Average. Next asset. Here's your NASDAQ. Look, NASDAQ already has your indicators. Looking for support. Yeah, and we have not broken this trend, so I'm going to leave it like this. So looking at NASDAQ on a weekly, let's go to a daily. Here it is on a daily time frame. As you can see, it's being somewhat accumulated. This looks like an inverse head and shoulder, trying to break its neckline to go higher, probably around 1218, 118 and higher. First is to break above 11,440 and close above there. Once you open and close, which should be happening soon because the EMAs are crossing up. Once that happens, you can look for the next level of resistance around 11,700 at 11,700, and then we can break that and then go to 12,000. That is in the cards right now, and that's literally what we had planned out. Why I don't have a local fib yet is because we did not break out of this consolidation. Should we draw it? I think we should. I should leave this, but I will drop this. Very, very tiny. Like so. That's my target. 14,674 to 15,782 from this breakout. So I'm going to leave that there for you guys to keep an eye out. First thing we need to do is actually break above 11.7 though. Until we break above 11.7, we're not looking for higher. Once we break above 11.7, my next target is going to be the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder is at around 12,571, and then we'll look for this other exits. But this does look like it's going to go up. Your first warning sign of downside is after you are losing 11.2, 11,200. Any hourly closes and opens underneath it, your risk of testing 1046 is 10,462 is there. And then after that, you're obviously going to be looking for much lower. But yeah, at least let's play level by level for now. That's what I'm looking at right now. A little bit of sideways and up. Go to the 4 hour. Even your sell volume, if you look on the bottom, is subsiding. So pretty soon you might get your buyers to pop up. And we're right on the golden pocket support. So it's like either you long now or you short under and take the liquidity to the downside. And then it is in an upward channel with higher lows. So you should be expecting a poke up and then SFP down if it happens. You should expect that poke into this 11.7 or a little bit higher. All right, well, that's NASDAQ for you. Go to a daily. Turn off all these indicators because I know you guys are like, what's going on? So many lines. It's called technical analysis. Here is your E-mini. And we're looking at it on a daily. As you can see, you're doing kind of the same thing on this. Ah, there you go. You already have it. This is an inverse head and shoulder as well. Looks like it's finding its support right around here at 38.45. And what we need to do is go sideways here. As long as we go sideways here, you will probably go test the neckline at around 39.32 and then break out after you hit this resistance to test this golden pocket. I will also draw a fib. And how ironic is that? All the lines match up. So once we actually break out of this level, which we already are on the support, if we can just get past this neckline, this measured move is saying you're going to test to the golden pocket, but out of this consolidation, you can go much higher and test this previous highs once we break out of the golden pocket. So that is what I'm going to leave here for now. Right now, everything looks like it's being accumulated, going sideways and slowly up. And the only thing that's going to push us down is if the Fed does something crazy today. So there is no press conference, so you have to wait until 2 p.m. and then they're just going to release the news. You won't get an explanation until later. So you better be ready for crazy volatility of people trying to guess what the heck is going on. Yeah, this does look like it's being bull flagged and will be popping up. I'm looking for it to test back into 39.30, and then I'm looking for it to get even higher. It's like 4K and stuff. So that is my prediction on the S&P minis. Let's go look at gold and silver, and then we got it. Ew. Gold, nice. Looks like it's being accumulated also. Slowly but surely on the bottom. Why we don't have our fibs drawn is driving me freaking nuts. Oh, I did draw the fib. So it's being accumulated right here, and we're assuming that this is the bottom. That's what I want. So this is what I'm looking for, is us to break above this 16 whatever, 1689 area and have open and closes above that to get to the 1728 level. Once you break above that, we can look for the higher levels, okay? But you're going to have to, first gold has to break above 1689, then it needs to actually break this midline here, okay, around 1782, and then we will gun for these other levels pretty quickly. It is winding up to pop up regardless. It's maybe going to consolidate here a little bit longer, but more than likely we are going to roll it up. This blue and green line here on the bottom, this is your larger consolidation. So you know that you're being picked up in the golden sweet like extension spot for the reverse to happen. Like this is the pivot zone. This is the pivot zone. So I expect moves to reverse in those areas. So yeah, that is gold. Gold should be slowly going sideways and up. This is the best rock to own. Yeah, and we're at the 100, so maybe we get to the 200 today. Is 1669, which is only freaking $12, $15. That's like the most I'm expecting is the 200 to getting touched. Maybe you get into 1671 after you open and close above there with a 4 hour. We can look for the golden pocket and higher. But yeah, this is a lower high. Okay, so it's meant to go up. All right, next assets. Silver. Go to the daily. Here is silver on a daily. Kind of doing what the rest are doing, looking like it's trying to go up, but it's doing some goofy stuff. Just consolidating so awkwardly. Take a little local fib. This should not be 3. Hate that. I think this one. All right. So what we're doing is we're consolidating. What we need to do is break above $19, $20. Once you break above $20, we're going to be testing into this area of 2066. All right, until we are under 1840 on silver, there's no bearishness. I'm looking for the extension to go up and test into the higher levels. Like, oops, I did draw this backwards. Yeah. Reverse what I just said. As long as we're above $19, we can hold for up higher up. And if we break 19, your risk is going to the 1762 low over here. It's also a larger fib area. Breaking above 20,000, we're going to be looking for this 2088, but ideally we're looking for 25 to 28, okay? It's just going to be a quick move, but it's going to go level by level by level. You know, it's going to claim all these levels, go sideways here, and then try to poke up. So just be ready for this. I do think it is going to also do the same thing. Going to the weekly, what am I trying to draw here? Oh, it's an inverse head and shoulder that already hit its target. So silver already was the asset that broke out, and now it's bull flagging, like a cup and handle kind of situation, ready to break out again. So yeah, this does look good. This is actually proving its support. This is like very juicy, sexy, long. Silver looks better than freaking gold right now, just because of this formation. I like it. It's gonna take forever though. It is very good. This is very healthy. It's following technical analysis freaking perfectly. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's Bitcoin. Oh, sorry. This is the equity video. So this is Dow, Nasdaq, S&P, gold, and silver. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are interested in trading crypto, I will be trading live today after 8 p.m. the daily candle on Discord. So if you're interested, please feel free to join. The link to the Discord server is in the description of this video below. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. We're gonna be trading high leverage, trying to make some money together. I will be charting, explaining all my trades in the voice channel, and then I will be doing it manually on my cell phone, so that way we don't have lag. If you're interested, please join. If not, if you have any other questions or concerns about other equities, please feel free to leave them below, and I will get you that chart the next time I make a video. And last but not least, please, 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 if you haven't already, like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications, and talk to me soon. Have a great day, guys. Be safe. Fingers crossed for Fed not fucking up today.